Sapa winter hits different. Let's eat our way warm. First quest, the earliest market for the warmest bowl.
Ginger heat. Step 1 to survive this cold.
We're chasing Sapa's coziest flavors. Market to night fire.
This is where winter meals begin.
Hot pot needs greens that bite back.
Mushrooms plus cold air. Instant comfort.
15.000.
Được rồi, gói lại giúp tôi.
Ginger and chili, Sapa's winter armor. Cơm lam, warm rice cooked inside bamboo.
La Su. Su is Sapa's signature green.
That smoky scent? Highland comfort in one bite.
Corn cake on a cold morning, yes, please.
Listen to that sizzle winter music.
Thưởng thức món này nhá. Mới nấu xong.
Ginger tea, instant reset.
Quest complete. Now we cook something real.
Susu grows right in this cold.
These shoots stay crisp even in mist.
Chị ơi, trồng bí đao này có tốn công lắm không?
Cũng vẫn bình thường thôi, miễn là mình chăm sóc tốt.
Yeah. Fresh greens are half the comfort.
Yeah.
Cold feet, warm plan. Let's cook the Sapa way, simple and hot.
Garlic is the shortcut to comfort. That steam is the whole point.
Crunchy. Clean and seriously warming.
Next, the hot pot that saves Sapa nights. Yes, salmon in the mountains.
Yeah.
Look at that color, pure comfort fuel.
This heat is not optional.
Night falls fast. Perfect hot pot time.
When it boils, the cold loses.
Plus heat. This is winter comfort.
We're not done. Sapa has more fire.
It's cold. This fire is therapy.
Sapa winter soundtrack. Crackle, crackle.
Dạ, cái này cay không?
Pick your heat, skewers first.
That brush means flavor is coming. Eggs on charcoal, tiny comfort bombs.
Corn plus smoke, Gleising's instant nostalgia.
Sapa's night market is basically a heater you can eat.
Cảm ơn. Cảm
Cảm ơn.
ơn.
Warm food.
Warmer people.
Sip something hot, keep the glow going.
Sweet, spicy, warm. Sapa water pea.
Now, a smoky Highland specialty by the fire.
Smoked buffalo, deep flavor, no rush.
A quick toast wakes it up.
One dip, then hang on.
This combo feels built for cold nights.
Fire makes food taste safer.
Sticky rice is comfort you can hold.
Next, a steaming bowl that locals swear by.
Steam is a welcome sign. That's in the boat.
Noodles first, then the warmth.
Sapa black chicken, deep comfort.
This is Sapa's calm kind of chaos. Cảm ơn.
Warm bowl, warm people every time.
Next quest, a village kitchen and a smoky dip.
Even the air tastes cold up here.
Making the dip locals love.
A quick toast, flavor gets louder. Listen, this is the heart of winter meals.
Spicy, herby, and dangerously addictive.
Greens like this keep the meal balanced. Crunchy greens, winter's best texture.
Smoke and cold air equals perfect grill weather.
That brush means the good part's coming.
Smoky pork plus that dip, unfairly good.
This is what comfort looks like here.
Now we hunt a sweet bowl for the cold.
Corn again, because Sapa loves corn.
Sweet, warm, and not too heavy.
This texture is pure cozy.
Sweet warmth, exactly what the cold needs.
Ginger keeps the glow going. Final cook today, a slow, hot, comforting pot. Slow heat makes everything tender.
Mushrooms plus greens, mountain comfort combo. Simple, hot, and made for cold nights.
Fire, stem, and spice.
One last quest tonight. Bigger, hotter, louder.
This might be the warmest thing in Sapa. That pot is basically a winter engine. Ginger and lemongrass. This is heat you can smell.
Sapa nights run on steam.
Mời quý khách chọn món. Pick your comfort, then it hits the boil.
Watch the color, then it's ready.
Beans stay crunchy. Cold doesn't win. Late night.
Warm sip, cold sky, perfect balance.
This tea is my morning blanket.
Back where comfort begins, fresh and local.
If Sapa had a green flag, this is it.
Let's recap the warmest bites.
Hot pot, the king of Sapa winter.
BBQ, the fog-proof heater.
Sweet bowl. Ginger warm. That sticks.
Highland flavors, smoke, crunch, and spice.
See you on the next food journey.